Okay, so then I identified a problem with the volumes clashing. They were fighting each other to the death. As you can hear, I mean, when I play the whole track together, you can really hear it. So to combat that, I've gone and looked at all my compressors. Now, for example, I could turn the glue compressor down. It's on the side that I'm looking at as well. So here we go. Just check that. And now I'm going to obviously do the same for this one. Just tone it down a bit, really. Let's try that all together. So here, this one's lost its momentum again. So I'm just crank it up on the volume, really. Okay, now it doesn't sound like it's squeezing through anymore. Now it sounds like it's more natural flow. However, when I do play this, in this recording studio, I still get problems. So I think it's my final solution. I might just ditch this neuro bass in the middle here, because I really do like these top end bits, these bits over here. I like them, but this one's just messy. It's very messy, and I've tried to attenuating the bad frequencies and just trying to focus in on certain bits. Maybe it's homicide. I might just get rid of it altogether and replace it with something else, which I'll post in a video below as soon as I've done that. I think that will be my final solution, the one I've chosen.